بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a Smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Brace.
Word origin. From Old French, the two arms, from Latin brachia, arms.
Word forms. Plural, third person singular present tense braces, present participle bracing, past tense, past participle braced.
If you brace yourself for something unpleasant or difficult, you prepare yourself for it.
I have braced myself for the inevitable incident.
He told me she had some bad news for me and I braced myself for that shock.
If you brace yourself against something or brace part of your body against it, you press against something to consistent your body or to abstain from falling.
Asma braced herself against the wall.
He braced his back against the dresser.
Wait until we've braced the ladder.
Workers used steel beams to brace the roof.
A set of connected wires that is attached to a person's teeth in order to make them straight.
She had to wear a brace for her crooked teeth when she was a teenager. A pair of narrow straps that stretch from the front of the trousers over your shoulders to the back to hold them up.
In Pakistan, people do not use a pair of braces.
A brace is a device attached to a part of a person's body, for example to a weak leg, in order to strengthen or support it. She wore leg braces after polio in childhood.
Braces or curly braces are a pair of written marks that you place around words, numbers, or parts of a computer code, for example to indicate that they are connected in some way or are separate from other parts of the writing or code. In Brit, usually use curly brackets. Curly brackets are commonly used in British English and braces in American English.
Braces are a pair of straps that pass over your shoulders and fasten to your trousers at the front and back in order to stop them from falling down.
We use braces in British English but suspenders in American English.
A hand tool for drilling holes, with a socket to hold the drill at one end and a cranked handle by which the tool can be turned in full.
It's hard to use brace in a sentence.
Brace up.
To summon one's strength or endurance.
Brace up, dear, and please try not to be too disappointed soon. Synonyms: steady, support, balance, secure.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.